The check engine light system is your vehicle's primary diagnostic tool, continuously monitoring three critical areas of your car's operation. It monitors emissions control systems, engine performance, including fuel efficiency and combustion quality, and safety systems to prevent critical failures before they occur. Modern vehicles feature smart diagnostic systems with enhanced dashboard displays that provide more specific error descriptions, and many manufacturers now offer mobile apps for basic code reading. However, many check engine light issues can be diagnosed and resolved without professional tools through systematic visual inspection. The most common cause, accounting for 30% of all check engine light cases, is gas cap issues. A loose, damaged, or missing gas cap disrupts the fuel system's pressure balance. Low fluid levels, including engine oil, coolant, and transmission fluid, can trigger the check engine light. Visual inspection of dipsticks and fluid reservoirs can quickly identify these issues. A severely clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine, affecting combustion efficiency. You can easily inspect the air filter visually for excessive dirt, debris, or damage. Corroded or loose battery terminals can cause electrical system issues that trigger the check engine light. Clean terminals with a baking soda solution and ensure tight connections. Start your diagnosis with systematic visual inspection of these four key areas. This methodical approach can resolve many check engine light issues without requiring professional diagnostic tools, saving both time and money. If your check engine light issue has been resolved, there are three simple methods to reset the light without any tools. The first and most reliable method is the drive cycle reset. Simply drive your vehicle normally for 50 to 100 miles. The system will automatically reset the light if the underlying issue has been resolved. The second method involves disconnecting your battery. Remove the negative terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect and start your engine. Be aware this may reset your radio and clock settings. The third method is key cycling. Turn your key to the on position without starting the engine. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. Repeat this process 3 times, then start your vehicle normally. However, do not use these reset methods in certain situations. Never use them if your check engine light is flashing, if you're experiencing performance issues like rough idling or stalling, or if multiple warning lights are illuminated. Seek professional help for persistent check engine lights that return after reset attempts, when emissions testing is required for registration, if you have warranty concerns, or when dealing with complex symptoms affecting multiple vehicle systems. Remember, regular vehicle maintenance can reduce check engine light activations by 40%. Preventive care is always better than reactive repairs, saving you time, money, and stress in the long run.